guys, it's Portia Khadijah Baby here, coming to you with the brand new look. Now I know if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I posted a picture saying that I wouldn't be making videos for the rest of the week. Now, I thought I wasn't because I was supposed to be getting my wisdom teeth taken out. I have 4 of them that have to get taken out, but not this week. That'll be in July, so I'll be starting to make more videos, and the swelling in my cheek on this side has went down a lot, so I thought that I could definitely start making videos. I was in excruciating pain. I wanted to like cry because I was just in so much pain. So that's why I thought I wouldn't be able to do videos, but I'm back and I'm here because my mouth doesn't hurt that much and I can talk. My face is not that swollen. So here I am. So hopefully you guys didn't miss me too much, but I will definitely be adding more videos. And I'll probably pre-record too for when I do get my wisdom teeth taken out. I will let you guys know, like that week or so before, when I will be getting my wisdom teeth taken out. Alright, so this is my look. I call this look Rainy Day. So I know about you guys, when it's raining, it's all dreary out, and it's dark, and the skies are blue. They're like different shades of blue, but it's like really dreary and groggy out, and it's like either you're tired and like you're not really in school, like your headspace, or you're just like really relaxed, you know? So this is what I want this lip to capture. Now if this blue lips is too much for you and you're thinking about clicking off this video, do not click off this video, because this look right here is for people that want to take it to the extreme. This is for people that love color, that they love to really take risks. So don't click off this video. I have an alternative look for you guys. And keep watching. Alright. I'll be showing you the products I'm using because whatever products that you guys have is what you can use. So we're just going to get started. What I'm going to do is darker on this part and this part, then lighter on the inside. Take your darker shade on the inner corner and the outer corner. You can wing it out if you want to. That looks like. Looks pretty so far. You can use it like as a graphic liner. That'd be cool. Or you can build up that color as much as you want or as little as you want. So that's that. It's just a base to get this. You're gonna go on top with, use a dense brush for this. Then I'm just going to show you the row that I'm using. I'm going to use this row right here. Only. I'm going to go in with the blue, any color blue that you want. I'm going to use a dark shade blue. I'm just going to go and pack it on the base. Make sure you blend it out inwards because you don't want a harsh line. I didn't have too much fallout, so. But it depends on what product you use. But this is very cheap though. It's only got it like for $1. And this little window right here, you can make it as big or as small as you want. Mine is going to be on like the medium side. Okay. Now we're going to go in. Same brush. Different one. Gonna take a different color base, whatever color you want. We're just gonna go right in the middle. Now you don't really need to build this up because you see how bright that is. Very pigmented. Like I said, you can use whatever base you want. You can use a clear base. I was looking for the word sick. But a regular base, you can use a tinted one. I'm using tinted. I like tinted bases better. Depends on what I'm looking for. Okay. Now we're just going to take a light color, like a periwinkle type color. And we're just going to go right in the middle. Like I said, like the upper half. Periwinkle, like pretty blue. Just going to go right on top of there. You're going to keep packing on that color till you get the exact color that you want. And I'm going to go from dark to light. Just pack the color on. Alright, so it's the color that I want. So we kind of have a harsh line. You're going to flip the brush. And you're going to go in with the medium color between this color and this color. You're just going to go in the outer half of the light shade. And you're going to blend it in. Like that. That's one way you can blend. Instead of getting a blending brush, you can use light shades to blend it in. With the highlighter. Because I want like a really pretty reflecting, or reflection should I say. So I'm just going to get a liquid highlighter, or windshield wiper motion, but it's going to be circular. Just going to put that right in the middle. And now, I know it looks like it's going to cover up the work, but it's really not. Okay, then you're going to go back in with that really pretty periwinkle / blue shade. And you're just going to go on top of it. And that gives you like that pretty reflection that you want. You see it? Take that blue shade. You're just gonna blend it upward into the crease. That's as far as you're gonna go. You want a circular shape. Okay. Now you're gonna take a brush with no product on it. Any brush you want. This is not even a blended brush, just a regular brush. You're just gonna blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take a purple shade that was in that row, not too much. It picks it up a lot on the camera, but it's actually not that much. Then you're just going to put a little purple in there and then blend it out. Focus on the outer half, not the inner half. You blend it this way. Okay. Now you can go in with the different brush or the same brush, whatever you want to do. And we're just going to go into a nice bronze color. Taking this color right here. And it has to have shimmer in it. At least for me it does. Because I want shimmer in this look. You can go matte if you want. And this is just gonna make your eyes pop and look really pretty. And since this top color has shimmer in it's giving that purple like a really frosty look to it. Which definitely helps if you want that rainy day look like what we're going for. Okay. Now, this is very optional, but what I like to do, I like to get a cotton ball, wet it a little bit, I like to wet my eye. 1, 2. Okay. Then I just take the cotton ball, very lightly dab all over my eye, and nothing comes off. You can dab on your makeup too to get anything that's running. You don't have to, but if you want, you can. And nothing really comes off. But very lightly. I don't want you to be like, ah! It's like, oh my god, she lied to me. All my makeup came off. Why would she do that? Be like, no, I said dab it very, very lightly. Take that highlighter. And you're going to go in. That liquid highlighter. And you're going to go inside your inner tear duct. Just to give some light to your, and open up your eyes. Okay. Then you can take it on the bottom lash line too, in the inner corner. You're gonna blend that. Okay. Now you're gonna take, you can either take a white eyeliner or like a peachish eyeliner. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna line the inner corner of your eye. Not that much, just like that. You're gonna blend that out. They used to put the highlighter on, you're just gonna blend it. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is the same exact thing that I did before. I'm going to take this blue eyeliner and I'm gonna line my eyes, the outer half. And then I'm just following the V shape that I made before. If you guys can see that. Do a line. Then connect it. And you want to start out small first. With the eyelash curler, just curl my eyelashes. Oops. Then I'm gonna go in with my mascara, which is Butterfly mascara. I'm just gonna apply some eyes. Okay, now for the lips. You can leave them like this, which is like my natural lip color. It's like a pink, if you guys can see that. Top lip is brown and the bottom lip is like pink. You can leave it like this, or I'm gonna put on a lip primer. Let that dry. I'm just gonna fill in my lips. As best I can anyway. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Melks Cosmetics Decaf, and then I don't give a. This is the color, very beautiful. I mean, it's like midnight blue inside the tube. When it hits color, it's like this beautiful color. See if I can put it. Oops. Because you can kind of see it, but it's like a midnight blue color. And then when it hits light, that's how it looks. So if you're really, really daring, you can wear it like this. I think you guys can see exactly. There you go. That's a true color. Me personally, I would do the pink instead of this. But it's whatever you want. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Hope you like it. Make sure you definitely like, subscribe, follow me at Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Have it all. So make sure you check me out. Make sure you also share my videos. You know, so share the love. And that's it. And have a great day. Keep being you. Bye.